Today we're going over a couple of crochet basics that I think are important to starting a beginner's project. I like to start my project this way with the end of the tail on my left hand. I'll wrap around my finger, crisscross it over to the left side, and take the first loop here and pull it up a little and pull it over the second loop. Grab the second loop and pull it up. I like to use the end of the tail on my left side here because when I insert the hook into the loop here, I have full control of the project with the long tail connected to the ball. And the end of the tail here is just hanging here until the end of the project where we can sew it in. So this is a slip knot. To begin your foundation chain, yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop. That's chain 1, yarn over, pull through the loop, chain 2, yarn over, pull through is chain 3, and you'll continue to do yarning over and pulling through until the end of your project. For the example here, we're just doing 8 chains. So this is our 8th chain, and here we have our foundation chain. So for single crochet, you'll insert your hook from the second chain from your hook. So that is 1, 2, insert your hook into the second chain, yarn over, pull through. You got 2 loops on your hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2, and there you have your first single crochet. Insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2. That's 2 single crochet. Now insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 single crochet, and continue this all the way to the end of your row. Here we are on our last single crochet. Insert your hook into the last chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And here we have a row of single crochets. Now I'll show you how to double crochet above this first row. So turn your work here. Chain 2 to begin, chain 1, 2. Depending on how you want your project to turn out, you can insert and make a double crochet in the first stitch here, but that'll make this side of the edge here a little bit thicker. Sometimes I would just do an alternative double crochet into that first stitch here to make it thin, but I'm just gonna skip that one today and consider this chain 2 a double crochet. To make a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch. So I'm skipping the first, going into the second, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We have 1 double crochet. Now second one, yarn over, insert through the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So I'm going to do the same thing across the row here. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and now you have 3 double crochets on here. And you'll continue this all the way through the row. And we're here at the end of the row here. We've got 1 more double crochet to make. If you flip your work over just a little bit here, you can see a V. Yarn over and insert your hook into that first loop and then the second loop. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and here you have your row of double crochets. To begin our next row of treble crochets, we'll turn our work here. We're going to chain up 3, so chain 1, 2, 3. Just like the row below, I'm going to skip that first stitch below these 3 chains. I'll consider this 3 chain a treble crochet. So I'll skip the first stitch below these 3 chain, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over, pull through, Now I have 4 loops on my crochet hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and here is our first treble crochet. Now the next treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. There's 4 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 treble crochet, and do it again. Yarn over twice on your hook, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. There's 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and here's your third treble crochet, and we'll continue this to the end of the row. So we're here at the end of our row. We are looking for the top stitch above this double crochet here. Remember, this is the chain 2 below that we consider as a double crochet. We'll flip the project over just a little bit to find the V stitch here. So we'll yarn over twice, insert the hook into that top loop that looks like a V, and then we'll flip the work just a little bit to find the other loop. Sometimes this could be a very tiny loop, and so I like to get the pointy part of the hook and insert it through, or sometimes if it's difficult, I'll pull it up with my finger. So pulling up with my finger. And here you have, I got the 2 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And here we have our last treble crochet and a row of treble crochets. Now I'm going to show you how to do slip stitches across the next row here. So you'll turn your work, you already have 1 loop on the hook. And I'll insert the hook through the first one, not the second one like the other rows, because if I do it in the second stitch, I'll be missing 1 stitch over here. Insert the hook through the first stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops here, and then pull the second loop through the first loop, and that is a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over, pull through, and pull the second loop through the first loop. Now that's the second slip stitch. Insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and pull through the first loop. And we'll continue this to the last slip stitch of the row. And here we're at our last slip stitch. We'll turn the work over and look for that V again here. And sometimes it was a little hard to find the V up on this one. Sometimes I would just go through the back 2 loops. If you can see here, it might be easier to insert through these 2. I would insert through the back loop and the top loop instead. Once inserted here, yarn over and pull through. There's 2 loops on the hook, and then pull through that second loop through the first loop. And here you have a row of slip stitch. It looks like a couple of V's or braids across the row here. And to end our project here, we'll yarn over and pull the yarn through and tug on the loose end to secure the project, and we are done with our project here. You can use a yarn needle to secure these loose ends to the back of your project, and then when you secure them to the back of your project, make sure to cut off or snip off the loose ends. I hope you enjoyed this video of some of the basics of crochet, and happy crocheting!